Welcome back to Nikki's Scrapbooking Adventures. Today I'm sharing with you a little goodie box that I got from Pink Fresh Studio. I believe about once or twice a year they have a grab bag, which this time was $39 and you had to pay for shipping. So my total ended up being around $51. And I thought I would go through the great value that this is for $51. So according to their website, I'm supposed to get 30 sheets of paper, a 6x6 pad, and I believe 30 embellishments. So I am going to go through, and I've already kind of sorted this by collection. And you can just see what I got. All the fun goodies. We're going to start with Christmas themed items. So we've got a journaling bits pack from their Oh What Fun collection. Holiday Magic Puffy stickers, Holiday Magic ephemera, and Holiday Magic alphas. I love these red alphas. I'm really excited that I got these. That's Christmas. Then I've got a couple random items here. I've got the Best Day chipboard flare and enamel dots. And then some papers from Noteworthy. And then, oh, I got one paper from Noteworthy. And then two papers from Just a Little Lovely. Very beautiful backgrounds. And I've got a wood accent sticker from this collection as well. Next up is Keeping It Real. Now this is the 6x6 pad that I got with this. I did not realize that these were single-sided. You do get 32, and they're just mini versions of what you kind of already have in the 12x12 kit. So 32 pieces, 6x6 single-sided, heavy cardstock weight. Like, these are quality papers. That's part of the reason why I like Pink Fresh Studio, is because they don't skimp on the paper weight. Same with their chipboard or cardstock stickers. These are a good quality sticker as well. So got that, and then the alpha that coordinates. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 papers from that. And then we jump into Happy Blooms. I've got the journaling bits for Happy Blooms. And 1, 2, 3, 4 pages from that. Now we move on to the Some Days collection. Lots of ephemera from this. Not as much. We got more paper from the Keeping It Real than we did ephemera. So here's a whole bunch of cardstock stickers, enamel dots, alphas, ephemera pack, chipboard stickers, elements pack, and puffy stickers. So that's a lot from that collection. And I do plan to bag these up and store them as a collection until I go and use them. So 1, 2, ooh, I love that. 3, 4, I love this too. 5, 6 pages from that collection. So definitely some usable patterns on that B side. Okay, next is their Day of Splendor collection. Now I'm kind of sad I missed out on this collection. It is gorgeous. So we've got the journaling bits and the chipboard flare. Look at how fun this is. I'm so happy I got this. Super cute. So 1, oh, and look at, for that, a baby collection right there. 2, 3. So definitely kind of a more fall-y themed with alternate colors than the normal colorway for fall. Next, I believe, is just cardstock from a couple different collections. So I'm going to go ahead and bring those over. So those over there have ephemera or something with it. These are just straight papers. So this is from the Let's Stay Home collection. Got 1. I love this. 2. And then 3. The thing I will say about Pink Fresh is that they like the lighter color tones and they like the more geographic styles. Lots of icons, lots of geographic styles. Just so you know, when you purchase, that's kind of what you're looking at for Pink Fresh Studio. Okay, and then we've got some Celebrate. Okay. And last, Celebrate. And this looks like this was in conjunction with Altenew, because it says Altenew right here. Some more watercolor than geographic. Ooh, I like the outside border on this one. And then last piece is my favorite story. So, I hope you enjoyed this video.